What's the meaning of belie? Belie. Belie.
Belie. Belie. The word belie means to give a false impression or to contradict something. It can also mean to fail to give credit to someone or something. For example, if someone's confident demeanor belies their inner nervousness, it means that their external appearance does not match their internal feelings. Similarly, if a report belies the true state of a company's finances, it means that the report is misleading and does not reflect the reality of the situation. In short, belie is a versatile word that is commonly used to describe situations where appearances are deceiving or where information is not accurately represented.